Concept and nature of international organization. International organizations are the backbone of global cooperation, diplomacy, and problem solving. Concept of international organization. An international organization is a structured entity formed by treaties or agreements between sovereign states or other international actors to pursue common goals. These goals can range from peacekeeping and economic development to health, education, and environmental protection. There are two main types: intergovernmental organizations, IGOs, composed of member states, example, United Nations, World Trade Organization. International non governmental organization INGOs, composed of individuals or groups, example, Amnesty International, Red Cross. These organizations are governed by international laws and possess legal personality, meaning they can enter into agreement, own property, enjoy certain immunities. Nature of international organizations. The nature of IOs is shaped by their structure, purpose, and legal status. Voluntary membership. States or entities choose to join based on shared interest, legal personality. They can act independently of their member states in legal matters. Permanent institutions. Most have headquarters, staff, defined organs, example UN General Assembly, WHO. Multilateralism. They promote cooperation among multiple countries rather than bilateral agreements. Functional autonomy. While member states retain sovereignty, international organizations operate with a degree of independence to fulfill their mandates, immunities, and privileges. To function effectively, international organizations are granted protections from legal processes in member states. Historical evolution, early roots. Concept of international cooperation date back to ancient alliance and trade pact, 19th century foundation. The Central Commission for Navigation on the Rhine, 1815, is considered the first modern international organization. Post-war expansion. The League of Nations in 1919 and later the United Nations in 1945 marked a shift towards global governance and peacekeeping. Functions and roles. International organizations serve diverse roles: peace and security, UN Security Council, NATO, economic development, IMF and World Bank, health and welfare, WHO, UNICEF, legal and human rights, International Court of Justice, UNHRC, environmental protection, UNEP, IPCC. They also facilitate negotiation and dispute resolution, provide technical assistance and funding, monitor compliance with international norms.